Well, hello. This is so early, I'm not used to this. It's been so long since I woke up, like, before 9, which is crazy, I know, but yeah. It's been a while. So it's nice I'm getting a rhythm back. I mean, I had one, but a kinda broken one. Glad I'm getting back to it. Anyway, welcome. Guess what we are doing today? The same stuff as usual. I want to stream something different next time. Hopefully next week we won't have to work on this anymore. If my Linux install will accept to stream, that is. But yeah, basically I want to do something different next time because it's been a while since we've been doing this. Okay. So, in theory, everything is nice right now. In theory. We close the FDs, we don't have leaks, we good. Even this crazy thing works fine. So that's a big W. What I kind of want to spend this morning doing, and I forgot to set my timer. There we go. What I want to spend today doing is cleaning stuff, going through the code, refactoring, renaming, just making the code that bit clearer. Oh, I forgot that we had that. Maybe we could fix that too. Because that's, yeah. That's really bad. Especially the 12 bytes that are still reachable. That's weird. Okay, let's fix those one by one. Definitely lost. Non-executable path. Okay. What's going on there? I guess this is it. Which line is it? 73. Okay, in which case do we not free those? None. What? Interesting. Well, hang on. First of all, I'm seeing some crazy things happening. Do we really need to string up it if we're passing it to string T? Okay. Am I crazy or it just copies it the pointer too? Why does it copy the pointer? I don't even know. What the heck? Oh, because it. Oh, okay. Oh, but it modifies it? Makes no sense. Ah, that's why. Okay. It modifies it. Okay, let me analyze that because. Oh. Save. So it copies the pointer. I still don't get why it does that, but I get why we have to give it a malloc string because it modifies it here. Documenting that because I had no idea this was a thing. Basically, I'll write the rest later when I understand things. So it copies a pointer, which I don't get the point of. That's funny. Token equals save at this point. What the heck? This is so weird. Well, save. And we are not at the denominator. But it still returns the... What the heck? Oh. Oh, I think I get it. How can I put this? Is it still used? Yeah, it is. Starts from the string pointer. Until the delimiter, if it is found. Good to know. Character after the delim. Okay, and now what I want to try to do is just removing that because I don't. Oh, never mind. It's a static. Never mind. I'm dumb. Okay. It's a static. Okay, yeah. Just read the stuff. Come on. Hi, Lint. Good morning. Yeah, please rest. You need it. You need it. Have some good rest. Good. Well, could say that differently. There we go. Okay, so never mind. We do need this variable because it's a static. That makes sense. So, is it ever used with null? Yeah, it is. Okay. And that's using the finding executables path. Okay. I understand it now. The command string. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, where did I see the thing that was puzzling me before? Let me go back. Had some weird stuff here. Because paths, I don't see the point of. Oh no, never mind. No, it's not here. What? Where did I see the thing? Is it not in that function? No, it was somewhere else. Oh, was it? What? I'm lost. I thought I saw something that was like really weird. Isn't that? Yeah, that's it. So like we copy paths, which I get why. We use it in tokens and then we don't use it again, so I don't really understand why. Or do I? Now that I know that this is a pointer inside of string, if we free the string, it would break everything. Yeah, makes sense. It's really convoluted, but yeah. Meh. I guess I don't really like it, but it works, it works. Let me put that node as a node because it's kind of weird. um, Static pointer to it. Which is kind of dumb. It's a static too, so that's good. Is this a static? Nope. Well, no, it's not. Last one. Okay, all good. No problems to be found. What was I was going to fix a leak. I just remembered. So the leak was this thing. I just don't get why. Cause for some reason it's lost. Because there's no way. Path is locked. This just does its thing. Full path. Return free. Return free. Return free. Like there's just no way this leaks. Huh. Interesting. Ugh. Yeah, this is only for me, man. Okay. Let's just go through this and try to make it exit gracefully. No, it's exit child. Because right now, oh, seems like I already did some stuff, or did I? Was it? I don't think it was me. Yeah, it wasn't. So we exec v here. If you current exec code, what the heck? What is that? In rights check. What the heck? Can't you just do that in is valid? So is built in equals 0, code equals exec types. Okay. What? Okay, I guess. Because yeah, this is called when exec checks. It sets the validity, but it also sets this. What? Like, this isn't supposed to be executed at all. When is this useful? In what case? Let me go to this, the declaration. Exec types. The type of a given command. Okay, yeah, I get that, but... Okay, no, it does set is valid. Well... Why does it still execute then? Oh, because it finds it. Oh, yeah. Okay, no, that makes sense. Since we find it, found the file, so it tries to execute it. And then it breaks. Clear data. So I guess I did that. Also, should we just clear other stuff? What the heck? crazy stuff happening. Stir jar equals env to char. Oh yeah, the environment is cleared. Clear data? Oh yeah, guess so. Well, env clear. Okay, way better. What's next? I still don't get what we have to use that, so I'll just yeet it. For now. So we check only now? That's the thing that's weird. Why do we check in exec child? Huh. Sorry. Like in my idea of things, shouldn't we check that before? Like before we fork stuff? We don't have to fork if the command is valid, right? That's why we don't have to clear anything of the child if the child doesn't exist, right? Status. So the command already has the things. So if no, where was it? Exec tools. No, let's check. Yeah, there we go. Here. So whenever it's not 0, it's either not found, it's a directory, or it exists, but it is not executable. Yeah. Well, then we don't have to fork it at all. Am I crazy to think that? Is that the whole point? Like, process command only happens when current is valid equals true. So, what the heck? So, when you use exact types, code, current is valid, code equals 0. So it should be false. Am I crazy? Isn't this true? Yeah, this is weird. Let me put a breakpoint and I'll see what happens here, because this shouldn't result in valid command. Oh no, never mind, it does. No, it does, because it is found, it's not directory, and it is executable. So never mind. But just remember, the thing I was going to fix was this crazy stuff. It will never happen, because if it's not 0, the command is not valid and exec child would never be called. Like, yeah. Process command wouldn't be called because it's right here. Current valid is true. So what's this check about? Like if I comment this all out, or this leak. Yeah, so this doesn't serve any purpose at all, either. So like, am I crazy? Okay, yeah. Okay, was there an exit in there? Oh, there was a not file. Yeah, makes sense. I'm glad it didn't break. But that definitely wasn't what I want to do. Detectee, like the basic functionalities are here. Launch still leaks, but that's just my thing, I have to check. Thank you, I just saw you, bless you. Sorry. 4 minutes late, my bad. So like it doesn't break. This serves no purpose. Let me tone that down because I won't remember when the comment comes. Okay. Whoops. Okay, it's fine. It was like it won't take my stuff, but it did. In what other case could I check? Like, it's if it's a directory. Those is a directory. If it's not executable, like makefile. Permission denied. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think this is useful. When was it added? Like in what? Maybe he was trying to fix stuff. 27th. Minor changes where, yeah. I don't think this is useful. Oh, because you had a closed child. Oh, okay. Well, begun child does the thing. And then exits. If not, have tab. Oh, no. Okay, yeah. But it doesn't leak. I don't get it. Do we have to track the child? Like, yeah, it traces forks by default. Okay, yeah. So it does it by default. We don't have to put that option. Yeah. Anyway, break time. Yeah, this early. Hi. Well, I'm not sleeping because I went to bed early yesterday and I could wake up earlier today. Isn't that cool? I'm starting to get a rhythm again. Just going to bed earlier so I can wake up earlier. I know this is weird for you because you haven't seen me awake so early in so long, but yeah. And it's not that early, like 9 o'clock, but usually by 9 o'clock I'm awake. Kinda. Yeah, kinda. But yeah, I did wake up around like 8:30, so that was early for me, yeah. It is, yeah. You might be right. Huh. Need to make myself a stream playlist. It's like a set of game I like. Or even just other music. would be cool. Not that long, because I have to leave in like a bit more than an hour. You might be tweaking, yeah. It's the sleep getting back to you. Yeah, I won't stream for that long, like maybe another hour, and then I'll have to go eat because I'm leaving at 11, so 11 my time, so like in less than 2 hours. So there's that. Manage goals. Oh yeah. I see. Yeah, Jean-Maïs isn't here today. Maybe another one. I don't know. The problem is I have to do something like in the late afternoon. Hopefully I'll be home by like 8:30, but yeah. Hopefully maybe earlier. Like in theory I want to leave like at 18 to be home at 19:30, but yeah. I'll see how it goes. Yeah, sorry. I'll see how my meeting goes tonight and I'll tell you when I go home. Man, these 5 minutes are the longest I've ever seen. Why does it feel like that? All right. Well, I don't know. We'll see. Well, actually, if you're leaving at like 19, I probably won't be home. Even if I leave earlier than I thought, I'd still be home at like 19:30, so sorry. Yeah, I know. Yeah, sadly I don't have anything to tell you. I'm sorry. Oh wait, never mind. Hang on. Let me check. Let me check my trains. Um. So in the hopes that we finish at like 18. Yeah, no, even in the best case scenario, I won't be home at like 19. I'm sorry. I often end up staying late on Fridays. Anyway, back to it. So we just realized that Volgren does track 4 children automatically. So no problem that way. I was wondering why we had leaks of child processes, and that explains that. Because that's another process ID and the one of the shell. So we just realized this serves absolutely no purpose at all, so I'll just completely remove that. And now we can work on our leaks again. What else can we fix? So the environment should be cleared. String join equals in exec child. What? Oh, env tab. We don't read the env tab. Makes sense. Yeah, okay. Okay. Nice. Now we only have this to fix, and I guess those two, but that's meh. No, never mind. We don't care about those. I mean, I could. You know what? I was like, the OS will free it, but could fix that. Hi, Chayo. Good morning. Thank you, Kailash. Yeah, I'll see you when I see you. I'm fixing our leaks when it's a dumb thing, but I'm fixing the leaks we have when we launch things that aren't launchable, like the shell script. I'm almost there. I still have that, I guess. Oh, true. Path equals find executable path. Can this return null? Definitely. Okay. If not path, we. Okay. I was saying free array. Offense tab, yeah. And then we clear data again. And then we exit. Really? Yep, I guess so. Just in case of an error. But yeah, I think 126 is for a different case, isn't it? Well, we just need to free the stuff. Free array and clear, and if it doesn't execute, we have to free path 2. There we go. And now we only have FDs to fix, and I think those are just the ones of the copies, so that's an easy fix too. Array, free path, and clear data, and clear or free STD copies. What is it called? Close STD copies. There we go. With currents. I'll put this before anything because I'm scared this could break the freeing of the commands. Launch. Nice. Nice. I'll commit that. Cannot execute. Okay, perfect. Then it works. Then it works fine because that's just an execute error. So all good. Okay, so I changed that. I fixed leaks when execv fails. Oh, I didn't check that, by the way. Schmod plus x make file. Yeah, perfect. Don't know why it would break anything else, but had to check. Okay, so that's what I changed. Did I change something else? Not here, at least. In there, docs. Okay. Here we go. Alright, this is too long. Oh, it's not. Never mind. Cool. How much does they break? Almost none. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's get back to reading and fixing and refactoring, which I didn't really do. Oh, and I forgot to fix that. The to-do is gone. We do not care. Yeah, that's still a thing. Wait, what? Yeah, okay. I was like, what? Never mind. Still broken, but we do not care. Oh man. Ooh. Okay. I don't think I have other to-dos. Oh, one more. Yeah, this we'll have to check. I'll check with you this afternoon, Chayo. We'll just look it up together. I'm not gonna eat that out for now. What else? Maybe we could write some docs. Programmer's favorite subject, documentation. Let's see. Close all of these. Basically just all of these in the command list. Pretty much. Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. Only this. But no, that's not even syntax. I only changed the thing that broke when we had a pipe and then followed by the here doc. It was only a simple check. That's about it. But I didn't see any problem with syntax, did you? Just curious why you asked that question. Because if you have some issues, you should fix those. What? Yeah, that was when I fixed the syntax issue. Pretty much the only thing I changed. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I already documented that. Cool. Yes, definitely not. This, yes. But I had my program running this whole time. Want to do some breakpoint checking, but in the end it was fine. My voice! No. I don't have my water. I'll go fetch it later. Wait, what? Unnecessary. Nice. Another very nice. Yeah. Anyway. Is there? That's a static too. The types, same. I think pretty much all of those, no? Get exit, no. Oh, nice. Wait, what? Wasn't this used? Well. Okay. And this, otherwise, too. Well, we don't need that then. Get exit now. This used ever? No. Not even in a comment or anything. Can I just get rid of it? Where? Will we use it? Is that what's happening? We do not use it right now. Maybe we have a check like that, but we do not use it. Like code stuff happens here. And then code is not touched again. Oh, maybe that's the thing I yeeted out. Yeah, I yeeted that out. that's me. So I had a good reason to get that out away because let me tell you about it. What's happening is that we had a check for like if the current exec node is not 0, okay? That's I guess a good call, but the thing is, where's my check? Hello? How can I pull that back? No? Well, anyway. The thing is, let me go into exec pipes. In exec child. When you call exec child to update the exit. Well, I mean, it was used when... Well, then it should be used before. Because the thing is, this code wasn't executed ever. Why? Because when you execute exec child, it's in process command. Process command isn't called when the current is not valid. Guess what? When we go here in code, current is valid, code equals 0. So if code is not 0, which we checked over here. If code is not 0, current is invalid, so exec child is not called at all. Which means that this whole check condition is never true. So yeah, that's gone. The thing is, well, maybe we could fix that. Maybe use that elsewhere, but where? Process command. Before we fork. Yeah, there we go. PIDs. So bio. Print exact checks. Oh. I think they are. Then again, I didn't check. Well. Hang on. Code equals 2. Yeah, 3 is a directory in 126, so that's good. If it's not executable, well, that's just I just did that. Lol. Not executable is 4. 4 is also 126, so that's good. Source is a directory. Well, no. 126. That's 3. Okay, all good. 27 is not found or inaccessible, so like this thing. Yeah. All good. Because this does the thing. I guess. Well, technically the behavior hasn't changed because since this code wasn't executed ever, getExit no wasn't used ever. So I mean I could use it elsewhere, but what does it even do? If code equals 2, returns 127 or 3, 4, 126, that's what this does. I saw I saw something. Let me cook. I saw something. Bash manual. The return status, or maybe it was in the man. Yeah, maybe this was in the man. Yeah, no, there we go. The pipeline's return status is the value of the last rightmost command to exit with a non-zero status. So like if there's an error anywhere in the pipe, even if the last command exits with 0, we should still return the error value. Only 0 if everything was successful. I guess we don't do that, do we? Hang on. So like if unless something that doesn't exist, this returns 1. Pipe that to echo wow. No, like cat, or just another less. Echo, yeah. I'm not seeing anyone checking for that, to be fair. I guess we don't. I don't see anyone checking for that, but that's a thing. Browser jump scare, right. So I did less echo, so a file that doesn't exist returns 1. Pipe to a new less that will execute normally and return 0, and our exit status is 0. And it should be, well, 1, I guess. But then again, like it's not in the correction. I don't even know if a lot of people would check for that or even know that this is a thing. I mean, you have to like man bash and like, go through all this stuff. I'll just look at the documentation here. Shall wait for the command in the pipeline to terminate before return a value. Yeah. Just thought you should know, but I guess you already did that. I'll go fetch some water and I'll be back. I'm back. That's true, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it could be an easy fix. I'll do one of a optional to do because I don't think this is that important. I mean, it's not even like, is it even in the subject? I'm curious now. Like if there. Copy the path of the PDF. Copy path reference. Oh, nice! It copied really well. Absolute path. There we go. Okay. Inventory directions, pipes, environment variables. I guess, yeah. If you go to copy bash, I guess that's the thing. So yeah, I'll do what to do. Not option. Should return the exit status of the rightmost command that failed. Oops. We can look into it this afternoon if you'd like. What time is it? I'll do another 20 minutes and then I'll go. Need to eat something before I leave. Maybe I will stream this weekend. I don't know yet. Can't do any promises. I'm not sure. Maybe some either some more coding or another thing entirely with like a game or something. We'll see. Hi. Be gone. Oh, the bots can come during my break. I don't mind. That way I ban them while I see them. My auto mod not good enough. Like, do all of these bots have confirmed emails? Is it that easy to just create more email addresses? That's crazy. Well, that's the moment I was looking at the chat, so W in my book, I guess. As I was saying, I was like, man, they can come in during my break. I don't mind. I'll just ban them. I'm getting like 1 bot per stream. It's pretty funny. It's like the usual occurrence. Where was I? So like exec code. Okay. Okay, yeah. I guess. It's only in the case of oh. Okay, yeah. Let me check if I have any values that are not used at all. Well, those I know of. Next prev. Well, prev is only used once, but it's used, so all good. Isvide is definitely used. As and value next prev. Prev. Yeah, we do use it too. Okay. Well, all good then. Hub folder. It gaps help folder. Actually, might be harder than I thought. If also less, search for written 1 or 2. We don't really have a way to check. Huh? What do you mean? Wait, what's that? What was I thinking? Right. So, exec code is only. Can't we just reuse this to store the return value? Oh no, never mind. Because it's no, it's. I was like because it's in the child, but it's not. Because if I recall correctly, exec obtain where is it called? Otherwise, exec pipes, wait PID. There we go. Wait for exec. Wait for PID. So we wait for all the commands that are executing. And then we update the environment with like this the last status. Can't we just? Huh. We could just do checks here that like if there was an error, if status is 0 at some point, then we don't update unless it's not 0. Something like that. Let's echo pipe to echo test. But why would we not update to 0? Isn't this like can't we just check here? Why am I missing something crucial? Because like let's echo, which is 1, okay. Echo there, echo test, we return 0 and What the heck? Okay, hang on. Oh wait. Did I break stuff? Hang on. We have overshoes. Wait, what? So this? What the heck did I do? Bad file descriptor. What the heck? Probably on me. Close out. Huh? Was it something I did before? No, it's definitely just that command. What? If these are fine? Then it tries to close something that it shouldn't, and the child has some leaked FDs. Well, it's not that big of an issue, but it's still kind of weird. It should work. I'll move the to-do over here so I remember that it could be useful to put it here. Oh, Windows jump scare. We could loop over the commands. And as we... That's not the right place. I'll move that again. As we updated them, only update the exit status 0 if no was found before. I'll look into it this afternoon. Where is... Wait for that. There we go. Hi. Okay, what the heck is happening? It's in the child, so there's that. This isn't. Well, or maybe it is. Execute that command. Just to close the ascending copies. No, the out copy. Why? And they both leak in the child. What the heck? Okay. I commit the stuff I have, or will I? Well, let's like stash and look if it's something I did just now. If it's just now, good thing. Otherwise, it's definitely not just now. Then I commit it and look through the commits to see which one broke. Yeah, this commit I didn't do much, except for like putting static, adding docs. Yeah, that's really just what I did. All right. I don't see why. What fails is not exactly it's this thing. Well, there's no way this would fail. It's only in case of built-ins too. Maybe it doesn't leak in case of not built-ins. Well, I'm sure it doesn't actually. Okay, and then echo wow pipe to less. Works fine. Less pipe to echo. Yeah. If I do even with that. Huh. Pipe to export? Okay, yeah, it's only in case of built-ins. Interesting. So is built-in and not command next, I guess. Set up IO, resurrect dupes. Doesn't return 0, so there's no way it's going here. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Int resting. The integer is resting. Okay. So it did export, and then afterwards it tries to close and breaks. So do X for exec. Resurrect dupes. Um. Hmm. I mean, yeah, but there's something that doesn't sit right with me. Why is it? What is this called? I'll go check, like, afterwards. But in the case of export, command next doesn't exist. It's a built-in, so it executes that. It executes that. Then return 0. Why is this called? See? It's weird as heck. Yeah. No sig, we fork. Because it's like two built-ins. Well, in this case, it's not two built-ins, like a built-in afterward less. Yeah, we fork, do the stuff, and we return the status. And it's used. It's never used. What? Houston? What happened? When? What? When was this not used anymore? Probably with the new exec? What? So exec built-in is used, but this isn't at all. Might explain some things. Okay, let's get back to this monstrosity. This. Let me put a debug. Ping. Just to see if this is indeed happening. So let's make file, pipe that to env. It's not called. How? How? What? Yeah, make. I made. What? What? Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's polyexec that's called. Okay. No, okay, that makes sense. Thanks. I get it now. Fix me. This isn't used. Just so we remember. This isn't used. Whoops. Okay. So it's in there. Process command. And process command does the built-ins. Okay. Close child. Right. So that's after we fork. We exit the built-in. Clear the env, close the copies. Oh. Well, no. Makes sense. Close the copies. And we exit status. So the child exits there. Funny how it's all only the out that's broken. And the child still leaks those. What the heck? Makes no sense. I clear those. Like this clears the copies. Uh-huh. Print exec checks. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's in case if there's only one. So Paul exec. Signal handler to reset the signals. Redirect dupes, and then we close those. Shouldn't that happen here? I'm thinking. Not in that case, apparently. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and then we close both of those. Weird how this shouldn't happen anymore. Wait, hang on. Oh no, close equals -1. I was like, what the heck? Am I checking? Am I checking twice for the same thing? No, never mind. Yeah. Bad file descriptor. When? Is there a close that we don't? If we didn't. No, never mind. It's only called here. There's no way. What the heck? Close out. Bad file descriptor. How? Because xclose always puts it to -1. So when do we have bad file descriptor? Ever? That's yeah. Special. Maybe it shouldn't close those two because it exits with like one of the STDs gone, which is not a good thing. It means we misuse something somewhere. What the heck? I thought so. I was like, maybe this is another error that we forgot to update the name of. And I think that's what's happening. Oh no. What is this? Okay, let me update all of those. I think I just copied everything without naming stuff. Ah, yeah, there we go. Field groups. Now we'll see what this is happening. For sure. Yeah, I'll just check if this is what I thought it was. Because it seems like I've just picked some stuff up. Now we'll have a clearer idea of where the error is happening. Yeah, process command. Man, you have other stuff that's with crazy things like that. Like, hang on. Error show find usages. Let's see if we have other stuff that shouldn't be like that. Look on you. You go through everything because yeah, this is bad. The echo, ftnv, export print, concat. It shows the export value stuff. I'm pretty happy with that. That's okay. PWD, malloc. Well, env new. Env still no. Env send key. Still John equals. Env to char. Finance copy. Env init. This is going to take a while. Exec pipe built in. Reduct dupes. Fill dupes. Child FD IO redirections. Close FD copies. All FDs. Close all of FDs. Close child. Close parent. Set up IO. Yeah. Okay, it seems like we are okay. Just had those copies that were not updated. Oh. Well, it's HD var expand now. That's too long. Maybe. We'll see. Well, we have no more lines, so it's not an issue. Here the handler. Still passing. Args to argv. Oh, there we go. Another one. Duplicate args. Error pipes. Okay. Let me do that for you. Basically, you should check if the FD itself is -1, but you're checking if fclose returns -1. Well, no, it doesn't always do, and xclose checks for -1. So I don't think that's the problem. Xclose is designed to check if the FD is -1. Right. Okay. P error. What? Oh. Wait, what? If code 4. P error? Huh? Oh, I see. Oh no, I get it. Okay. Okay. Display prompt. Could be the body to open head. Get branch. Oh, Windows gets in my way. Okay. I think we're good. Okay, good. So now, let's try again. Close STD copies, that's what I thought. So... where is it called? Close STD copies. Hello? Here. Okay. Maybe because of that? Does close child? No. Nope. Close STD copies. Yeah. Close out. Mm-hmm. Huh. With the condition and exclude again, unsure. That's not how I used it. What? Close return 0 if everything went well. 1 if the pointer is null. So like if there's another error that's not close failing, and -1 if close failed. Right, which is 1 also if the pointer, if the FD was -1. Mm-hmm. Didn't do PRR here. Let me do that quickly. Just check if the FD itself is a -1. And no, Xclose doesn't return always -1. If it is -1, it returns 1. Okay, I was going through all of those. We all check if it's -1. Xclose equals -1. Close, -1, -1, -1. Yeah. Don't see any issue. And in that case, yeah, I'm gonna unstream soon to just go eat before I leave for school. Thanks for reminding me. Yeah. So it's not here that's the problem, it's in there or there, maybe. Nah, that would be no. It's only here. Here's the problem. This calls an error, throws an error because we close stuff that shouldn't be. If clear. Maybe we aren't. What did I do? With Xclose? Oops. What do you see? Oops. Uh-huh. Yeah, we'll look into it this afternoon. I don't think unless it's like a major case of blind man syndrome, I don't think this is wrong. I mean, the docs are good. I think my function works, but yeah, I don't know. This is ugly. Well, I could change that, but another time. Another time. In all cases, it sets it to -1 if not already. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat something. And then I'll leave, so I'll end stream here. Thank you all for coming. Again, I already said it, but I might, emphasis on the might, stream this weekend. I don't know yet. I don't know for now. We'll see how I feel and if I even have time. Otherwise, see you all Monday afternoon and have a very nice weekend. Yeah, I won't touch it for now. I'll leave and we'll see it together this afternoon. Bye bye, have a nice day.